Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Debarim, Deuteronomy Chapter 24. When a man takes a wife and marries her, and it comes to pass that she finds no favor in his eyes, because he has found some shame in her, then let him write her a bill of divorce, and give it in her hand, and send her out of his house. And when she is departed out of his house, she may go and be with another man. However, if the latter husband who took her to be his wife hates her, and writes her a bill of divorce, and gives it in her hand, and sends her out of his house, or if the latter husband dies, her previous husband, who sent her away, may not take her again to be his wife after she is defiled, for that is an abomination before Yahweh. Therefore you will not cause the land to sin, which Yahweh your Elohim gives you for an inheritance. When a man has taken a new wife, he will not go out to war, nor will he be charged with any business. He will be free at home for 1 year, and celebrate his wife, whom he has taken. Do not pledge the lower or upper millstone, because the pledge will take his livelihood. If a man is found stealing any of his brethren of the children of Jashari'al, and makes merchandise of him, or sells him, then that thief will die. Thus you will put away evil from among you. Take heed in the plague of leprosy, that you observe diligently to do according to all that the priests, the Levim, will teach you. Like I have commanded them, you will observe to do. Remember what Yahweh your Elohim did to Miriam along the way, after you had come from Mitzrayim. When you lend your brother anything, you will not go into his house to fetch his pledge. You will stand outside, and the man to whom you lent will bring the pledge outside to you. Moreover, if the man is poor, you will not rest with his pledge. In any case, you will deliver him the pledge again when the sun goes down, that he may sleep in his own clothes and endow you. Therefore, it will be righteousness unto you before Yahweh your Elohim. You will not oppress a hired servant who is poor and needy, of your brethren or of your immigrants who are in your land within your gates. Within his day you will give him his hire. The sun will not go down upon it, for he is poor and has set his heart upon it, lest he cries against you unto Yahweh, and it becomes a sin for you. The fathers will not be put to death for the children, nor will the children be put to death for the fathers. Every man will be put to death for his own sin. You will not bend to the judgment of the immigrant, nor of the fatherless, nor take a widow's clothes for a pledge. But you will remember that you were bondmen in Mitzrayim, and Yahweh your Elohim redeemed you there. Thus I command you to do this word. When you cut down your harvest in your field, and have forgotten a sheaf in the field, you will not go again to fetch it. It will be for the immigrant, for the fatherless, and for the widow, so that Yahweh your Elohim may endow you in all the work of your hands. When you are at your olive tree, you will not go over the limbs a second time. It will be for the immigrant, for the fatherless, and for the widow. When you gather the grapes of your vineyard, you will not glean it afterwards. It will be for the immigrant, for the fatherless, and for the widow.